Behind every life-saving dose lies a world of extreme pressure. Watch the full process now.
Millions of units verified by AI in the blink of an eye. Subscribe to see how it's done.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Every life-saving tablet begins with the careful extraction of high-purity raw active ingredients.
Purity is non-negotiable, as raw extracts are refined through multi-stage centrifugal separation. Controlled chemical reactions synthesize the active pharmaceutical ingredients to exact molecular specifications.
Trimphenol trishakes. Advanced compounds.
Spray drying transforms liquid concentrates into a fine, stable powder ready for granulation. Precision weighing and sterile containment prevent contamination during the transition to processing. With the raw ingredients refined and secured, the journey to the main manufacturing facility begins. Secure logistics ensure that sensitive raw materials are moved under strictly controlled environmental conditions. Every entry is a multi-layered verification process to maintain the integrity of the pharmaceutical chain.
Specialized docking systems create an airtight bridge between the transport vehicle and the sterile facility. Initial decontamination begins the moment the raw materials cross the threshold of the plant.
Ultraviolet C-band radiation provides a non-chemical layer of defense against microscopic pathogens. Raw material samples are extracted and verified against the master manifest before the drums are released. With samples approved, the materials are elevated to the core manufacturing zones. The modern pharmaceutical plant is a fortress of engineering designed for total environmental isolation. Security protocols begin at the cellular level, with biometric verification for every staff member. The transition from the outside world requires a strict, multi-phase gowning procedure. Elimination of human-borne bacteria is critical for maintaining a Class 10,000 cleanroom environment. The final layer of protection ensures that no skin or hair particles can contaminate the production air. A final air jet blast removes any microscopic dust before entry into the manufacturing core. Within these sterile walls, the raw materials are ready to be transformed into medicine. Initial sifting removes any oversized particles to ensure a perfectly uniform starting material. Multi-stage magnetic filtration acts as a critical fail-safe against industrial contaminants.
In the pharmaceutical world, accuracy is measured in micrograms to ensure every dose is identical.
Static neutralization ensures a smooth, waste-free transfer of expensive active ingredients.
Every cubic centimeter of air that touches the product is scrubbed to medical-grade purity.
Wet granulation begins the physical transformation from loose powder into a structured medicine.
Fluidized air drying prevents clumping and ensures perfectly uniform moisture levels.
Milling creates the perfect mesh size required for the tablet compression process. Homogeneity is the key to ensuring every single tablet contains the exact same ratio of ingredients.
Automated vacuum transfer minimizes human contact and prevents the escape of fine dust.
High-pressure compression turns loose granules into a solid delivery system for the active drug. Dedusting and metal detection are the final physical safeguards for the raw tablet core.
Constant structural testing ensures the tablet won't crumble in the bottle, but will dissolve in the stomach.
The protective film coating masks the taste of the drug and controls the release of the medication.
For sensitive medications, precision-engineered capsules provide an airtight vessel for the active drug.
Tamping technology ensures that every single capsule contains the exact prescribed dosage of medicine.
The final mechanical seal protects the inner contents from moisture and oxidation. A clean exterior is vital to ensure smooth movement through high-speed sorting and packaging lines. Real-world biological simulations confirm that the medication will be released at the perfect moment. Efficiency is maintained by moving thousands of units per minute through vertical transport systems.
Vision inspection systems act as a digital gatekeeper, ensuring only perfect units proceed.
High-speed automation allows the facility to process millions of units every single day. Laser precision guarantees that every tablet is a perfect physical replica of the original design.
Mass measurement at high speed ensures that the active drug concentration is never compromised.
Automated counting systems ensure that every patient receives the exact quantity of their prescription. Induction sealing provides a final barrier against moisture and ensures the product's long-term stability.
Every bottle is given its identity through precise labeling and automated barcode verification.
Bundling protects individual bottles from scuffing and prepares them for the final stages of finishing. Hidden security features are the ultimate defense against global medication counterfeiting. Even in a world of high-speed automation, the human eye remains the final judge of quality. Every carton is a precision-engineered protector for the life-saving medication inside. Bulk protection through master casing is the final step in the physical manufacturing process. Digital integration connects the physical product to the global logistics network instantly. The manufacturing journey ends at the lab, where science provides the final seal of approval.
HPLC analysis provides the chemical certainty that the medication is both potent and safe.
Microbiological testing ensures that the sterile manufacturing environment has remained uncompromised. Stability testing guarantees that the medicine will remain effective regardless of where it is shipped.
Physical durability ensures that the product arrives in the patient's hands in perfect condition.
The final release is a legal and ethical promise of safety from the manufacturer to the world. With the final seal of approval, the product is cleared for its final journey to the warehouse.
Every test passed is a life protected, and the facility's mission is now ready for delivery.
Automated blister packaging provides a sterile, tamper-evident seal for every individual dose.
Absolute traceability is maintained through high-speed laser coding and real-time optical verification.
Integrated cartoning systems ensure that every box contains the required patient information and medication.
Bulk packaging prepares the product for large-scale distribution while maintaining structural integrity. Robotic palletizing and shrink wrapping secure the cargo for safe transit across global supply chains. And this is how modern factories produce pharmaceutical tablets and capsules from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
Behind every life-saving dose
In this fortress of science, millions of units are verified by artificial intelligence in the blink of an eye.
This is the front line of human health, where raw chemistry is forged into a global shield.